India, one of the world's fastest-growing economies, marks another major milestone. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Safran Aircraft's world's largest LEAP engine, MRO Centre, India's first global OEM run facility.
साफरान की नई फैसिलिटी भारत को एक ग्लोबल एमआरओ हब के रूप में स्थापित करने में मदद करेगी.
A project that elevates our nation's presence in global aviation. Spanning 45,000 square meters, this advanced facility reflects engineering excellence at an international scale. At the heart of this achievement stands Bheemaa Infra, delivering the complete PEB structural design and construction with precision and responsibility under GMR Aerospace Industrial Park. We are honoured to have built the structural foundation of a project that strengthens India's path to self-reliant Bharat.